Alexa, change all lights to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, change all lights to purple.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be unboxing and showing you the benefit of this smart LED bulbs, which is very cheap also and not costing you too much money. So I have kitchen downlights. And this is the normal bulb which is at Bunnings for $8, and on Costco you can get this pack of 4 for $40, and it is dimmable also, plus you can turn off a timer on your app, plus it is having multiple color choice. You can make and select any color as per your theme or party at home or something, and it is very compatible. I will be showing you some of the cool feature and how to operate that. And in the end, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So on my right is the smart bulb and on the left is the normal LED bulb. So you can't differentiate which one is the smart, but it is very cool and give you a lot of benefits. So I have changed the smart bulbs in this downlights. So now you have to go on your mobile phone and download the app. It is available for Android as well as Apple phones. So FEIT. So you have to select FEIT electric app for Android phone. So that is the app and you have to install that. So now you turn on the light, it is flickering, so it means the Wi-Fi signal it is trying to catch. So my app is already installed, so you have to open that and agree to the terms. So you need to register. So you have to give your email address. So they will be sending you a verification code, you have to enter that. So now you have to go to the app. So it can only connect to 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, and press and hold the icon for 2 seconds for bulb setting, and slide the dimming bar up and down to set the brightness level, and you can use the warm and cool modes, and you can choose the different colors. Okay, and you can set up the schedule for light on and off, and you can set up with the Alexa also. So now you have to click add device, and it is giving tips on the settings and all that. So make sure it is on, permission is given. So as you can see, and open that. So now you have to add the device, and it is searching for the pairing mode. So now it is adding the device. So you got message, it has been added. So you can have a option use Echo or Google Home. So now I have selected Amazon Alexa. So it is having option link with Amazon Alexa. Now you have to log into your Alexa account. So after I put up the password, it is saying linked with the Amazon Alexa. So which is confirmation that it is now linked. So as you can see, I have three downlights. I can keep three separate color. It's showing me three separate lights on the app. So color light 3, 2 and 1. So I can turn off each of the lights separately. So one light is off, as you can see. So I can off the third light, second light, so everything is off. I can turn it on. Alexa, change all lights to green.